Ready to unlock the potential of your own website? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 5 powerful ways you can start making money online today. Welcome. In today's digital age, having your own website isn't just a luxury, it's a gateway to financial freedom. We're going to explore how to build your very own online empire. Let me tell you about Sarah. She started with just a simple blog. Now, she's making a full-time income. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. We're about to dive into the 5 proven methods. These aren't just theories. They are strategies people are using right now to make money online. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money, even if you don't have your own product. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's simply promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale you make. Simple, right? Getting started with affiliate marketing is straightforward. Join an affiliate program, grab your links, and start promoting. Moving on to method number 2, selling digital products. This is great for sharing your knowledge and skills with the world. Digital products are anything you can download: ebooks, online courses, templates, music, and more. If you create something valuable, people will buy it. For example, a photographer could sell photo presets online. They create them, upload them, and customers download them immediately. Instant income. Creating and selling digital products isn't as difficult as it sounds. Focus on solving a problem and packaging your knowledge in a user-friendly format. Next up, running ads on your website. This method can generate passive income once you set it up correctly. Ad networks like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your site. You get paid based on clicks or impressions. Simple, but effective. A blog with diverse content running display ads is a classic example. The more traffic, the more potential income. Optimizing ad revenue involves testing ad placements, understanding your audience, and continuously improving your site's traffic. Method number 4 is offering services. If you have skills, your website can be a powerful tool for attracting clients. Use your website as a portfolio or landing page. Whether you're a writer, designer, or consultant, showcase your skills and let clients find you. A web developer might use their site to showcase their portfolio and explain the services they offer. It's their virtual resume. Attracting clients requires high-quality work, testimonials, and outreach. Market your services through social media and networking. Finally, method number 5, selling physical products. Yes, your website can be an online store. E-commerce integration allows you to sell physical products directly. Set up a store, manage inventory, and handle shipping, all from your website. An artist might sell prints of their artwork directly from their site. They control the process and build a direct connection with their customers. Logistics and shipping are crucial for selling physical products. Plan your shipping methods, packaging, and customer service. These are the 5 powerful ways to make money with your website. Which one will you start with? We covered affiliate marketing, digital products, running ads, offering services, and selling physical products. Each method has its own advantages. Need help building your website? Contact TenG Spectrum. We specialize in creating stunning and effective websites that help you reach your financial goals. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start building your online empire today. The possibilities are endless.